members of the Senate, and you have referred only one matter about the Asura Fund that will come back to this House with a full report. So I think you can now have your leave because we are done with you. Thank you very much indeed for not shying away from appearing before the Senate. Okay, thank you and your team. P.S. Kiremi, thank you very much indeed, and the entire team. Next on the clerk.
Order number 8, motion, reconstitution of the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare.
Majority Leader.
Yeah, there was a communication. Yeah. Mr. Speaker, I rise to move the following motion, which is a reconstitution of the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare, that notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on the 12th of February 2025 on the approval of senators to serve in the various standing committees of the Senate and pursuant to Standing Order 197, 199, and 228, following the nomination of the SBC, the Senate approves the nomination of Senator Joe Nyutu to serve in the Committee on the Labor and Social Welfare to replace Senator Gloria Orwoba. This is a very straightforward issue, Mr. Speaker. It's just about replacement of a colleague who has ceased being a senator. It's a matter of public knowledge. And therefore, given that this Labor Committee is an extremely important committee that handles critical matters, we felt as SBC that it will be unfair to continue with less membership. So that's why we are making this request. I'll request the senator for... I'm not sure he knows what... Mr. Speaker, I want to request...
Or are you being distracted by...
Yeah, I'm being distracted.
Medhu, and you're falling prey.
Allow me to request the senator for Laikipia, Senator Kinyua, to second, okay, because at least he has been in the House and he knows what is happening. Mr. Speaker.
Senator Kinyua.
Mr. Speaker, naunga mkono mswada huo kwa sababu ni mwenyewe unasema ya kwamba kamati ni mpaka ziwe na watu ambao wamewajibika, watu ambao wanaweza kujadili masuala kwa kindani, na hasa hiyo kamati ya ufanyikazi. Nashukuru, naunga mkono.
Sanjit, at times you can make access to this other side of the House. Honorable Senators, I propose the question that notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on 12th February 2025 on the approval of senators to serve in various standing committees of the Senate and pursuant to Standing Orders 197, 199, and 228, following nomination by the Senate Business Committee, the Senate approves the nomination of Senator Joe Nyutu MP to serve in the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare to replace Senator Gloria Orwoba. I can see some members want to speak to this motion. Senator Medhu. Is that the mood of the House? Let us first confirm that we have quorum. Oh, 2 minutes. But meanwhile, the mover can reply. Just reply. Say you reply.
Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you for the opportunity to reply on the addition of Senator John Nyotu to this committee because of reasons that are well known to the House, that we need people who can serve in committees, Mr. Speaker, and provide guidance. Mr. Speaker, this is not a very complicated matter, and given that we have sufficient quorum required to transact this business, Mr. Speaker, I beg to reply.
Yeah, we have senators, all the senators. Senator Mills, you have done a commendable job to work. You know, you are working on behalf of Senator Boni Karwale. I think you should get that promotion. Okay, senators, I propose the question that notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on 12th February 2025 on the approval of senators to serve in the various standing committees of the Senate, and pursuant to Standing Orders 197, 199, and 228, following nomination by the Senate Business Committee, the Senate approves the nomination of Senator Joe Nyotu, MP, to serve in the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare to replace Senator Gloria Oloba. As many of that opinion say aye.
Aye.
Well, as many as of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. Next, Honor.
Order number 9, motion, report of the Standing Committee on Health on the inspection tour of health facilities in West Pokot, Trans Nzoia, and Turkana counties. Resumption of debate interrupted on Tuesday, 5th August 2025.
Unajua safari za hao huyu anaweza piga simu ambie weka